How to create workout log on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create workout log on Microsoft Excel app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Excel. Now go to the top corner, click here and scroll down until you find the workout log. And here is it right here. Now after you find it, click on it like this and you will be able now to edit this workout log template easy and fast. And after you finish, go to the top corner and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.